What's going on, guys? Brandon here from Delmont's Little Wheels and Tires. Follow along as we build the mini penny for a customer. Alright, here I am. I got all my fabrication work done on the frame itself. So I'm going through with a Scotch-Brite pad, scuffing up everything so that we can get it ready for primer.
Oh, that's real good.
Alright, here we are. First coat of primer. Oh man, here it is. We just laid down that first base coat of the metallic copper, and oh my god, let me tell you, these videos cannot do it any justice. This shit pops and it shines. And here's a quick engine mount tensioner that we made, and even had to paint it so that way it matches the bike, just to throw some accents on it. Alright guys, today is in the books. Like, follow, and share for part 2.